In Africa, wildlife has evolved among people. People will always have an impact on wildlife conservation. Conservation that does not involve them will not work.
This area was very active in poaching.
They've been poaching for meat to feed their families.
But today, poaching has taken a nosedive.
Wilderness Safaris and the Wilderness Trust and other stakeholders, in conjunction with Zimparks, are running Scorpion Anti-Poaching Unit. What our anti-poaching unit has done is create a presence in an area, while at the same time, the whole community engagement has also provided a chance for the people to see the benefits of tourism and hence value the wildlife. Subsistence poaching seems to be declining.